Thank you for purchasing the Abilize Pursuit. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and also to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Abilize Pursuit electric wheelchair should come fully boxed, as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. To open the box, cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors. Make sure the box is facing the right way up so you can wheel out the wheelchair. To manually guide the wheelchair, make sure it's in neutral mode by twisting the handles located beside the rear wheels. Once out of the box, start removing any excess packaging. Sealed in a clear plastic wallet, you'll find the instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains vital information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your chair. Under the seat, connect the battery to the motor by connecting the matching colour cables and sockets. Now it's time to attach the backrest by dropping it into the frame. You should hear a click when they're in all the way. Twist the dials on the back to further secure the two components. Next, flip the Velcro strap so that it connects to the underside of the seat. Now attach the padded cushion using the Velcro strips underneath to secure it. The Pursuit should come with a safety strap already installed on the chair. Remove the bubble wrap to access the swing-away footrests. These can be removed and swung from side to side for ease of access. Simply use the spring-loaded button on the rests to unlock them. Packaged with your wheelchair, you should find a battery charger and inside a smaller box where you'll find the chair's remote. We'll now show you how to attach this to the chair. You will need 2 Allen keys and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. If you wish to adjust the height of the armrest, you'll need an Allen key to remove the bolt on the armrest post. Then use the holes on the side of the armrest to find a comfortable height. Use a smaller Allen key to adjust the length of the arm so you can attach the remote. Remember to lock it back into place when you're finished. Remove the bolts on the underside of the remote. Then plug in the long black cable to the remote to connect it to the motor. With the underside of the remote and the armrest all lined up, insert the screws and tighten with the screwdriver. Press the power switch on the remote to turn it on. A green light should appear when the product is switched on. Your CareCo product is now fully assembled. Please keep all your packaging safe and in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. If you'd like any more details about the Abilize Pursuit or its assembly, simply go to careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.